Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are cooking curry chicken. So first I'm going to start off by taking my sweet peppers and just dicing them all up. I'm going to do the same thing to my bell pepper and my onions. So now I'm just going to take my potatoes and I'm going to cut them down in cube sizes, and I'm going to let them sit in a bowl of water just so that it won't get brown. So when I'm cooking curry chicken, I usually use wings or drumsticks, and I'm going to be using drumsticks today. And what I do when I use drumsticks is I usually take the end piece off the drumstick. You can keep it if you like, but I do that because it's easier to stir. It doesn't take up so much space in the pot. I use a regular kitchen knife, and I'm also taking off the skin, and the napkin actually helps me pull off the skin. So I'm going to do that with all of my drumsticks. So now my chicken is washed in lemon and vinegar. It's clean, it's pat dried, and it's time to season it all up. So now that I'm done seasoning my chicken, I'm going to add some olive oil to my pan, add a little butter, and I'm just going to add all my chickens in and brown them on all sides. So now I got a nice little color going. They're like yellow, a little brown color. So now I'm just going to take them all out, put them to the side, and I'm just going to add a little bit more butter to my pan, and I'm going to saute all of my vegetables, which is my onions, my bell peppers, and my sweet peppers. Once I have my vegetables cooked halfway, I'm going to just add some curry powder, mix it all up, and then I'm also going to add about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Of course, fresh garlic is better, so use fresh garlic if you have it. Now I'll be adding a tablespoon of flour. And then I'm going to be taking my chicken and putting it back in the pot, and I'm going to add the whole carton of chicken broth inside. chicken in here, just mixing it all up, and then now I'm gonna just add all my seasonings. So right now I'm going to be cooking my chicken down for 15 minutes on between medium and high heat, and then I'm going to flip my chicken over and cook it for another 15 minutes. After about 30 minutes of cooking the chicken, that's when I'm going to be adding my cubed potatoes in and also my fresh thyme. So once my potato and thyme is in here, I'm just gonna mix everything all up, and I'm also gonna turn my heat down to medium heat. And I'm just gonna cook it down till my potatoes are soft and tender. After cooking my potatoes down halfway through, like 7 minutes in, I'm going to be adding half a cup of my coconut milk, and I'm going to stir it all up, and then that's when I'm going to just be cooking it down for another about 7 minutes, and then I'm going to be all done. Thanks guys for tuning into my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and comment below.